Well, hello, welcome back. I'll be explaining to you about a new feature in CorelDRAW, a designing program, that's to say CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2024, called the focus mode, where you can group objects and then you can use the focus mode to do some tweaks or edit the objects in that same group where you turn on the focus mode. So let's say if we, create something, for example, some equilateral triangles. Hold the control key on your keyboard just like this, and then control C, control V to paste it. Make a triangular ring just like this, pretty much. Hold on. And then shaping, shape, and then trim this, and then you can color it with any color that you want, and then grouping comes next actually. So hold on, you can create more triangles just like this, and then you can color it with this color, for example. And then we are going to group all of the triangular objects. For example, this. Alright, looking good now. Let's group this. Select these, and then Control G to group it. And then you go to Objects, just like this. And then you have three groups. A group with triangles that we just created, a group with squares, and a group with circles, just like so. You can rename it actually. Rename it as triangle. Right click, rename it as circle. Here's how focus mode works. Okay, so you want to edit all of the shapes that is in the circle group. To do this, right click and then click on bring into focus. That way you can, edit the shapes or the elements in that group just like this. And then when you're done editing, you simply right click and then click on exit focus mode. Let's do this with the squares. So right click on the square group and then click on bring into focus, and then let's say if you want to move the square here, just like so. And then when you're done, right click and then click on exit focus mode, and then do the same for the triangular objects. So for the triangle group, right click, bring into focus, and then move it just like so. Focus mode is used so that you can actually move the elements or the objects inside of the group without having to, move the other elements or the objects in other groups like the square and the circle groups. When you're done, right click, exit focus mode. Focus mode makes designing much easier in CorelDRAW. So that's the new feature that you can try if you have updated your CorelDRAW into the 2024 one. That's pretty much it about focus mode in CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.